we're gonna take you shop at one of my favorite markets in Saigon. This place is called Vietnamese, and I'm very excited because we just moved to a new house and now we live 5 minutes away from my favorite market. So super great. I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner. We're gonna go buy and cook dinner. But we'll show you what it's like to shop at a wet market in Vietnam. Pretty cool. Do you guys think you wanna have chicken or beef or fish or pork? What else is there? Fish, you want fish? JD, so if you wanna eat fish, we could wrap it, we could steam it or grill it or fry, and then we could wrap it up in rice paper and noodles. Do you wanna do it like that? Or do you wanna eat it with rice?
Eat it with rice.
Eat it with rice?
Yeah.
Okay. Liam said he likes wrap. Okay. Well, maybe I'll let you guys pick the fish. All right, so we're right up here. This is Vietnamese. So literally so close to our house. You can go straight. We'll go around the outside of it. And we'll just drive through the traffic. No big deal. All right, let's see. There's usually, this lady's got good fish. Oh, look at this little doggy over here.
I see him.
A cutie. There's fish here. Let's see. So this is kind of the outside of the market. This is typically where I shop. I like the outside better. They also have all this stuff on the inside too, but it's just so hot on the inside, so I definitely prefer shopping on the outside. And we are here at about 3:30, so this is kind of an odd time to come. Usually it's super early or right before dinner.
Is it?
We can get mudfish, we can get a tilapia. That's the snakehead or the mudfish down there. Or we can get tilapia, or you want something different? The little turtles are cute, huh? Or we can get an eel.
Why is it killing baby turtles?
I think they just let them go. I don't think they eat them. What do you think? Do you want a tilapia? The tilapia is the pink one. That one's pretty good. You want to get that?
No.
No, you don't want that? There's a catfish. Yeah, there's a little catfish on the ground, JD. JD don't like that. You don't want to get a tilapia? What are you thinking about? I'll take you to the big store, JD, and we can walk around. You can pick one, okay?
Big store.
Because we can get pomfret too, if you want to get pomfret. Ooh, that looks good. Hey, we'll go to the big one on the corner so you can get out and walk around. It's probably gonna be easier for JD. But usually, I mean, coming to the market is pretty good at any time. We just wanna make sure that I would avoid coming to the market at like midday, 12 or 1 o'clock, because then it's so darn hot. And usually the produce doesn't look great at that time. Here, I'll take you over here to the corner, JD, so then you can see. You can make like a fish curry, maybe. Here, we'll stop over here. With these wet markets, they like have refills coming all day long, so the produce kind of gets refreshed. So the midday stuff doesn't usually look great, but then early morning, later in the afternoon looks great. Not every market has a spot like this where it's big.
They're selling special rocks.
That's an oyster. Yeah, that's an oyster there.
Some of the stupid things.
Oh, the snails are going out, huh? Look at the snails, JD. JD, look at this fish. This fish looks cool. This one we eat a lot. We've eaten the pompano.
What's that?
I don't know what that one is. That one's funny. That looks like a cowfish or something. Oh, this looks pretty.
I like that big house.
You like this one with the big eye? This place is pretty fantastic for a setup. I think that's a stonefish. That's a stonefish. I used to have them as a pet. They're super poisonous. They can kill you. You get stabbed by their spike, you can die. Wow, this is a good one, man. There's so much nice stuff here. They have conch up there too. Conch is cool. You like playing with the snail, JD? You like that? Oh, those things are so... JD, and you want fish, right?
Uh-huh.
What is this one? Chị ơi, cái này cái gì? Mò ra hả? Cái này bao nhiêu? 240. Mò ra. I don't know what that one is. Cái chém bao nhiêu? 220.
The taken one?
You want to get one and one? You want to get two different ones, or you want to get two of the same?
Two different ones.
Two different ones? Okay, cho and con này. Yeah, that one's pretty. Yeah. How about this one? Looks like a weird monster one. You see that thing? That one looks crazy. This one. Look at that. That looks like a deep sea monster. You see it? Look at its mouth. You see it now? This one's crazy. I don't think the big eye one is that good, honestly. I don't know, maybe. Oh, this one kind of looks good to me. You want to try that one too?
Sure.
Em ơi, cho con nữa. Okay, được.
What's in the toe?
I don't know what that one is. This one's crazy. Do you guys at home know? Anyone at home, if you're watching this, do you know what kind this one is? I've never seen this. Weird. Wow. And then they clean it for you. So then she asks you, how do you want it cleaned?
One's already in.
One's already in? Oh, went over there? That's okay. Don't worry. They're not getting out.
This guy is a deep sea monster.
That's what I feel like. He must be deep sea, the way that their faces are. But they're not catching deep sea stuff. But it does look like it, right? Because it doesn't have scales. Yeah, this one's like a parrotfish. This one's so pretty. There's a lot of stuff here. Yeah, this is a ribbon fish, or a belt fish. I've had this before, it's good. The other one, I don't know, the second one we bought, I don't know what that is. And then they have this cleaning station. So these guys over here cleaning your fish however you want. Look how big the crabs are. Whoa, he's a pissed off crab. This guy's angry, huge crabs. And this guy, he's trying to fight. Look at him. If you get your fingers in that, he's gonna pinch. He's angry. He's huge. Wow, it's a big mud crab.
Yeah, which one's angry?
This one right here? Yeah, that one. So what are you thinking? You want to eat it with rice or you want to wrap it up?
Eat it with rice.
Eat it with rice? All right. We'll cook some rice and we'll get some noodle too, okay?
Sea urchin. I hear they're very expensive.
Sea urchin can be very expensive. Look how pretty this orange one is. It's so pretty. With the stonefish. Good luck. You want to see them working, JD? You want to see them clean our fish? Look, he clean our fish. What do you think? Because it's making it easy for us to clean, so he's going to take out the guts and clean it. Is that cool?
I like it.
He's cutting off the fins, and then he's going to remove the stomach and the intestine, because that's all the dirty stuff we don't eat. I can grill the fish tonight. We'll do that. I'll grill it. So we can get some lemongrass and we grill. We're getting our price on this thing. Bacham. Okay, come on. Let's go, bro. So we got the fish now. We'll go over right now and we'll get to like a rice noodle and rice paper lady. It's kind of like a dry goods kind of section, and then we'll end it up at the vegetable. I've shopped at this market a lot. I used to come here all the time for when I was doing the pop-ups before. So I've been to most of these vendors. Usually I just go back to the vendors that are nice. Honestly, if you're a vendor, just be nice and I'll come back to you. Honey, we'll cook some rice. We'll buy some bun too, okay? And then I'm gonna grill the fish because that'll be nice and easy and good. And I'll fire up the new grill. And then you can eat some rice and Liam and Mommy and us can wrap. Okay? And this lady's always nice. She's always freaking out that I speak some Viet. Okay. Cho anh một cái bún. And we'll get some rice paper. Oh, this one's good.
Size nhỏ sao vừa không?
Size nhỏ, maybe nửa ký thôi. Nửa ký. Một ký, okay. Xin lỗi chị.
Xin lỗi em.
Dạ, xin lỗi. Okay em.
Xin lỗi chị là không vui.
Okay em. Cái này bao nhiêu em? 32 được. She wanted me to call her younger than me
Why?
because it makes her happy.
What the?
Look at this car trying to get through here. Why are you trying to get through here as a car? Are you crazy? What am I supposed to do with this stupid... Can you point this thing at the car? So we can see how stupid this car is for trying to pull through here.
These cars are crazy.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. There we go. You got it?
Yep.
Are you a champion? Are you the new cameraman? You're the new cameraman. You can make some money. If you can hold the camera for me, you can make some money. I can pay you. All right, let's go. This other lady I like is really nice over here. Actually, there's a couple nice people over here. I don't know why the vegetable people seem to be very nice. I tend to have more friendliness with the produce people. All right, this lady I like. Yeah, this lady's nice.
Whoa, look at the ginormous frogs.
These old big old bullfrogs.
Eels.
That's the eel, honey. That's the eel. We like the eel. I love eel. But we're gonna get some wrapped home. We're gonna wrap today, so we'll look for some herbs. I'm gonna get some Thai basil. Whoa, there's a mudfish behind you. He's jumping. He's a catfish. Look at this thing. This catfish tried to cross the road. Uh-oh, he just got thrown. He didn't like that. All right, so I got all my herb vegetables. I got Thai basil, shiso, perilla. JD, is there any vegetable you want? No, I'm gonna grill the fish and you have rice. Is there any vegetable you want specific? I'm gonna get some cucumber. We got mint. Liam, how about you? Is there a certain lettuce you want? You want to come pick the lettuce? You want lettuce like this one? You can get lettuce, that's the butter lettuce. You can get lettuce like this. You can get lettuce like that. I'm gonna get a little mustard leaf. I like mustard. Look good?
Yeah.
Look on the inside. Does it look rotten or anything?
No.
No? All right.
There, that's better.
Look around and see which one. You can take your pick, so take your time and you can look at which one you think is a good one. Here's one that's a little bit bigger. See, that looks better. See how that looks better? See how that one, this one looks a little chopped up on the top? And that one's got some big fluffy. You could do that one, or that one's good
whoa,
too.
that one.
You like that one?
That's...
All right, you like that bad boy? All right, so throw it in here. Beautiful. Is there anything else you want to throw inside here?
Oh, look at that.
That's a banana flower. JD, do you want a corn? You can get a corn, I'll throw it on the grill. I'll get some green onion. We can grill the green onion. And I'll get a cucumber too. So let me just give it to the lady when she weighs everything. You like cucumber, Liam?
Yeah, I like cucumber a lot.
A lot? Let's get a pineapple too. You pick a pineapple. Which one do you want to pick?
This is the...
That's the one? All right, hand it to the lady. That should be it.
Is this a potato or something?
That one is taro.
Oh, taro.
I like this garlic. Garlic is amazing. I'm gonna get lime for the fish sauce, and I'm gonna get some lemongrass to stuff inside the fish when we cook it. No, that should be good. Yeah, you wanna say? Không sao. Cái này bao nhiêu?
Hết tất 100 rồi.
Okay, we good to go. Why are they not moving? Why are they not moving? They probably just can't go anywhere.
The chill dude.
The chill dudes? I don't know if they're chill. They may have just given up.
Now look at that house.
Oh my God, you want to live in this market? Look at this house over here. It's actually a nice house. But my goodness, Liam, I don't want to live at a market. You want to live at a market? It's gonna smell, bro. Usually during the day, the market doesn't really smell much, unless you're right next to the chickens over here. This smells, all these live chickens. But at nighttime, it can have quite an odor. We got fish, we got vegetables for wrapping, we got noodle, we got rice paper. I think that's all we need. Anything else you want? Oh, I know Mommy said she wanted you guys to eat some fruit. Let's go look at the fruit.
Actually, can we get oranges?
Oranges? Do you just want normal cam, huh? I know it's about to get oranges. It's gonna be a lot cheaper. There's the orange lady, just those oranges close to us. So I'll get that another time, okay? strawberry. Actually, there's a lady up here who sells strawberries usually, and they're very good up here. See, I told you right here. And I'm all helpbound you. Oh, because they're a little bit rough. Okay. All right, so these are expensive. These are $5 for a thing. Okay, come on you. Ooh, what do you say? Yeah.
Strawberry's good.
Is it good? All right, let's go back. Super good. All right, so we're gonna head home from here. So you can see at the market, they also have all kinds of prepared food. We drove by some like drink stalls and cooked food. Yeah, that's the fruit. But they have like steamed corn, some dumplings, simple stuff around the market. It's cool. So you can see it's fairly easy to get what you want, especially with the motorbike. You just drive right through. It's so cool. But it's definitely intimidating the first couple times, or the first couple of years. It's definitely intimidating. But usually people are pretty friendly as long as you're trying and you're smiling, so it's worth it. All right, let's head home. We'll cook dinner. I know people are gonna be asking, how do you know if you're getting ripped off or not? I really wouldn't worry too much about it. If you're going to a local market like that, like getting scammed is not that common in that sort of environment. You might get a little bit overcharged, but scammed, I wouldn't say. With all the fish, you may have heard me. I was asking about the prices on the fish, about how much a fish is per kilo. That's what I care about. But with the produce lady, the vegetable ladies, I just put it in the bag and give it to her. I'm not too stressed. And if I ever feel like, hey, I really got overcharged for something, I just won't go back to that one. If it's like your first time, don't worry. Just get your food. Don't think about it too much. All right, let's cook. It's gonna be a simple dinner tonight. We're just gonna wash everything real quick. And all the stuff we're washing right now is just for the wrapping part. Let's go get some mint. I got a little garden going. It's not full, but it's starting. Okay. Whoa, it's the mint point of view. And something even more exciting to me. Very exciting. Let me show you the other garden. This is my new studio. Still coming. Not ready yet, but all this metal just got hung up today. So we're getting there. Hopefully in a week, we'll be like back to normal streaming and cooking in here. I'm gonna try to make this like a real garden over here, but I have Korean sesame leaf. That's really cool. Even cooler than that. This one's a lemon tree. We're not having that, but this leaf is sour. I love it. Such a cool leaf. What's the split up? There we go. This one, very cool. I got my cop leaf. I got my sesame leaf. Let's wash it. Back to the cop point of view. Ugh. This is a normal Viet herb pile for 3 people. That's why Vietnamese cuisine is the best. We'll let this stuff drain out. Let's get the grill fired up. Hooray! It's always hard to judge how much charcoal you're gonna need. I'm gonna go easy. All I gotta do is cook 2 fish and 2 pieces of corn. Shouldn't be too much. Hopefully this will get us there. I got a lot more charcoal though if I need it. I'm just gonna be cautious. Okay, while the grill's heating up, let's prep the fish. We wash the fish. So this is kind of the standard way that they'll clean it. They'll scale it, they'll cut off the fins and remove the insides. And that's it. And then the lady asked if I wanted to cut the fish, but that's okay. I want to grill it whole. Just got some lemongrass. I'm gonna break this up. Because we're gonna grill this skin on and we're gonna serve it as a wrap, we're gonna be dipping in fish sauce when we go. We don't even need to season it. We just throw it on there. Easy, very simple. We could rub some oil, we could rub some salt, doesn't really matter. Sometimes salt can help prevent sticking. I'm not too worried about it though. But okay, I'll season it with salt just for fun. And then the salt, if you're doing it like this, you can go really aggressive because it's gonna fall off too. This corn I just soaked in some water for 15 minutes while this was getting going. I just got a little grate down here to make it easier to grill, and we'll throw our fish down. And the salt side down first. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. I spread out the coals to try to evenly have the heat. I'm just gonna grill these real slow. I just flipped them. But we got it over here. My wife is on table duty, and I told you she was gonna be so excited about the herbs. Liam just saw the grill. First time grilling over here. He's pumped. And look at our herb pile. Oh my goodness. I said this is just the normal amount of herbs for 3 people in Vietnam. This is what typical Viet meal. 3 people, 2 adults and 3 kids. That's 3 adults. Wow, look at all these herbs. Holy cannoli. We got a cool herb garden. We had some fish sauce left over in the fridge, so we didn't have to make any. But this is just fish sauce, water, sugar, vinegar. There's some garlic in there with some chili on the side. The pineapple we're gonna cut. The cucumber my wife's gonna cut right now. And that's it. It's a fairly simple meal to prepare. It's just for me, like, I'm doing it on the grill, so there's extra work. But it's cool. Extra work, but less cleaning. So that's kind of good. I'm gonna take my time on this though. Probably another 10 minutes or something. I'm trying to really slowly grill. Okay. Oh, so my wife just wants, we have some sweet potatoes. She just wants to throw them on the grill and leave them there while we're eating. Maybe we can munch on them for dinner. JD, Daddy set up a grill outside. You excited? Oh, is that your new cup? Yeah, we got that at 19,000 store. And you see her tiny little wine glass, the little shot glass? She just wanted a little tiny glass. All right, let's do it. Don't lose your head. All right, we'll do that green onion right on here. Yeah, I got some sweeties too. Okay, looking good. Yo, that looks so freaking good. JD and Liam picked out the fish, looking pretty good. Well, what do you guys think? Looking good?
Great.
Looks great?
Well, I'm excited.
Good, I'm glad you're excited. You guys know how to do it?
Yep.
Try that fish. I don't know what that fish is. That's a new one.
It's good.
Is it good? Pretty good price.
I like how the color is purple.
In the middle, that's just the bloodline.
Oh.
Is there any particular kind you want, or you just want the whole basket, bruh? That's the lettuce that Liam picked out, too. That one's a sesame leaf, that big one on the bottom, the green one. You might want to put half of it. It's a strong leaf. That's the one we just bought the plant for. We're growing. That's the one that the Korean recipe. If you like it, you can put all of it. I just don't know if you like it. It's a strong one. You like it? Okay, great. My feet hurt. I'm tired. Let me show you how to do it. You're gonna mix your fish, some mustard leaf. Look at that sesame leaf, it's so big. Lettuce, hair, sesame leaf, purple perilla, spearmint, Thai basil. I got that grilled green onion. Put on my fish and pineapple and cucumber. Can't believe I forgot one. We roll. Bada bing. And that's that fish sauce my wife made. We put the chili in there.
Fish so good.
Fish so good?
Fish sauce.
Oh, fish sauce is good. Oh, I wonder why. And for all you people out there like, dip the rice paper in the water, you gotta do that. Well, we live in Vietnam, and we got so many kinds of rice paper. And this one says, no dip in the water. Không niệm nước. So, we're lucky, we got a lot of rice paper. Is that one of your favorite meals, JD? Wow, I'm so glad. I thought the corn was good.
I thought I picked the corn.
I saw the corn and said, do you want it? Daddy, thinking of you, right? You sound like your mom. You're so excited if I think of you. This is one of the best dishes in Vietnamese cuisine. Vietnamese know how to wrap food. You guys know how to wrap better than anybody else. And you can do it with anything too. Any vegetable, any protein. It's so good. And it's so healthy.
Yeah, I love it.
And no fat. It's so good. Anyway, this is top tier. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like down below. Give us a comment down below. Help us with the algorithm. Anything. Chatty great, chatty suck. I like grilled fish. Grilling is cool. Nice house. Welcome. Whatever. Please. Anything. And if you like this kind of thing where we're shopping at the market, if you want us to buy something at the market, something you saw today, and you want us to check it out, let us know. We'll try to go back. We will go back. It's only 5 minutes away. Liam, JD, got anything to say? Did you guys enjoy going to the market today?
Yeah.
You want to rate the food?
Oh, yeah.
Rate it. What do you think?
I love it.
Okay. You got a point?
9-8.
Nice. JD? Tree? Okay. Tree got a point? Heard that. JD? JD just likes being last. Go ahead.
10.5.
10.5. All right. Do something. Do cool things. Build stuff. Follow your dreams, I guess.
Make more food.
Make more food. Try new stuff. Do cool things. Just do something. Go out there and do whatever you want to do. As long as you don't hurt. Go out and eat. JD said go out and eat. Yeah, go out and do stuff. Build stuff, create stuff, do stuff. See you later. Peace.